In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform an advanced search in Foxit Reader. Whether you're delving into a single document or exploring an entire library, these tips will help you find exactly what you're looking for with precision and efficiency. First, to get started, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. If you have a specific document you want to work with, go ahead and open that up now. However, this step is optional. If you're planning to search across multiple documents, you can skip it. Next, you'll want to access the search panel. You have a couple of ways to do this. On the toolbar, look for the Find box. There, you'll see a drop-down menu or icon. Click on that and select Advanced Search. Alternatively, if you prefer to customize your search settings beforehand, navigate to the menu and select File, then Preferences, and finally Search. Here, you can check your settings and ensure everything is tailored to your needs before diving into the Advanced Search panel itself. Once you're in the Advanced Search panel, it's time to set the scope of your search. If your focus is solely on the document you've opened, choose the option In the Current PDF Document. This will limit the search to just that file. However, if you're looking for information across multiple documents, you'll want to select the option All PDF Documents In. This allows you to choose a specific folder or disk, enabling the search across all PDFs located there. After defining the scope, proceed by entering the text or pattern you're searching for. If you're looking for something as specific as a phone number or an email, Foxit Reader might support pattern-based searches, which can come in handy for such needs. Now, let's refine your search with filtering options. You may click more if needed to access additional options. Consider using whole words only if you want matches only for full words, cutting out any irrelevant partial matches. Case sensitive is another useful filter if the exact case matters in your findings. Additionally, you can include elements like bookmarks, comments, and form data in your search, extending your search's reach beyond just the text. And if you're searching through multiple documents, there's an option to use additional metadata criteria such as author, date, and subject. This makes narrowing down results so much easier. Finally, when all your parameters are set and you're ready to commence the search, simply click Search. Foxit Reader will now diligently go through the specified documents and present you with the results. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can master the art of performing advanced searches in Foxit Reader. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to practice these steps a few times, and you'll be able to navigate your PDF searches like a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.